Are you looking for instant tension relief and a deep restoration of mind and body through mudra? Then Makara Mudra must be your mudra. Increase circulation and learn how this mudra works in the video taken from our Mudra Mastery course. Enjoy! Makara Mudra is dedicated to the alligator god, deity, vessel for Ganga, for the river goddess. So it's kind of a caiman with a fishtail that is often symbolized, especially for its qualities, because we know that in the stories and the metaphors it's always about the qualities of what this animal and this consciousness represents. So in this case it's about the alligator's capacity to self-preserve. So they spend a lot of time really like reserving and resting and just being on the earth. Then when they attack, it's very quick and sudden, but there's always that refocus on that ability to draw in and to self-preserve. So this mudra is an invitation to self-preserve, as the element water is the rejuvenating element. This mudra stimulates the water, the nourishment, and the self-preservation within us. So from here we bring the thumb in between, the left thumb between the pinky finger and the ring finger to the base, and we hold it. And then from here we just put the ring finger and the thumb together and we put the two peace fingers out. You can have the gesture here, just in front of the heart again, as this is the center of Vijana Vayu. You can rest it in the lap or just hold here. And truly focus on the boundaries of your body, practicing a sense of pratyahara here as well, of sensory withdrawal. Feeling the boundaries of the body as you inhale and the connection to the earth as you exhale. You can practice this mudra also reclined, laying down, but just making sure you allow yourself to come as you are and to relax where you are. Thank you.